What's new in Power BI? July 2025 update. Power BI just got even smarter, faster, and more intuitive. Here are the key updates that can help streamline your workflows and deliver deeper insights. Copilot and AI. Tenant admins can now control Copilot's default search behavior, limiting it to content explicitly marked prepped for use with AI. Smarter access, safer insights. Reporting. A new left-hand navigation menu in the Power BI app for Teams makes it easier to discover and access your reports without losing momentum. Modeling. You can now build direct lake semantic models in Power BI Desktop directly from SQL and mirrored databases in Microsoft Fabric, unlocking real-time insights at scale. Data connectivity. The Snowflake Connector 2.0 is now generally available, enabling faster retrieval of large datasets without unnecessary overhead. Mobile. Power BI Mobile's home screen is now reorganized to prioritize your most used content, bringing insights to your fingertips even faster. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.